Yes, I know you're itching. What you doing, Jeff? What's the matter? Oh. Mother guy. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, I'm handsome. He is full. I see you.
Come out here. Who wants to go first with her nails? You want to go, Luna? You want to go first? All right, come on.
Thatcher, come here, buddy.
Guys, back up.
Hi, handsome. Come on. Haley. Girls. Ladies.
It's not going to work out.
Come on, Jeff.
I'm going to fall over. Come on.
You flipped your ear, June.
What you doing out there?
Hi, honey. You fix it? You got it fixed? Yay. Come on. Come on. Oh, my goodness. Hello, June. Hi, Bosco. Thatcher, what you doing, buddy? Oh, my goodness, June. Yes. Oh, my goodness, sweetie. Come on, Jeff. Tucker, you actually got a jump, buddy. Oh. Tucker, back up and try it again. You're not going to make it. Tucker. Jesus. Oh, geez. Got it? Yeah, I know. I had to give your butt a little boost. Are you good now? Yeah, you made it? Yeah. I'm your proud I got up it. I know, but oh, the butt. Oh, the butt. Yeah, smuggle boy. Oh, really? Bosco. What? What are you doing? Hi, Tucker. I see you. I see you. Hi, Bullet. What are you doing, buddy? Hi, Lily. What is it, Jeff? Come on, handsome. Hi, Thatcher. Hi, June. Whoop, careful, Sid. Hi, how you doing? Hi. June, what are you doing? Just love me. That's all I want, just love me. Oh, that was close. Almost didn't make it. Whoop, careful, you gotta be careful. Oh my goodness, Tucker. Yes, I know, buddy. Come on, bud. Come on. No pawing. No, we don't. No. Oh, stop it. No pawing at me. We don't need to do that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, Thatcher. No pawing. No, bad things are going to happen. Tucker, you're going to lose your balance. Tuck. Oh, my goodness. I need to rub on you. Whoop. Careful. I know, bud. Hi, Bullet. Oh, goodness. What are you doing? Huh? I'm pretty much the only thing holding you up here, dude. Oh, my goodness, I know. Haley, what are you doing, hon? Gosh, I itch. Oh, we gotta come over here now. All the hands went away, he says. Huh? Yeah. What's it said? What? Don't jump on me, don't jump. Jeff, what are you doing, handsome boy? Huh? What are you doing? I'm just hanging out. Yeah. buddy. Good buddy. Hello. Little boy.